The octopus. The octopus is an aquatic creature that primarily lives near seashores and coral reefs. It belongs to the class Cephalopoda and has 8 arms. These arms are extremely strong and flexible, allowing the octopus to swim easily, catch food, and trap prey. At the end of each arm is a fine sucker, which helps the octopus connect with its environment. An octopus can easily enter very small spaces. In nature, octopuses use this ability to escape through narrow gaps, a remarkable strategy for evading predators or danger. The octopus has one central brain located around its mouth. This is the main control center, regulating learning, memory, and hunting strategies. However, remarkably, each arm also has its own nerve center, or subbrain, which functions somewhat like a small brain. As a result, each arm can work independently, for example, to grab food or detect touch. In other words, the central brain handles overall control, while each of the 8 arms operates autonomously, allowing the octopus to perform complex tasks at great speed. One of the most distinctive features of the octopus is its heart. Unlike most animals, the octopus does not have just one heart, it has 3. One is the main heart, which pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body. The other 2 are branchial hearts, located near each gill. These 2 gill hearts work to oxygenate the octopus's blood. Octopus blood is blue in color because it contains copper-based hemocyanin, which is effective even in low-oxygen water. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are among the most strange and mysterious aquatic creatures of the ocean. They typically have a transparent, jelly-like body with a soft structure. Jellyfish have no bones, brain, or skeleton, yet they survive and hunt effectively in the ocean. The most notable part of a jellyfish's body is its umbrella or bell-shaped form, beneath which hang numerous tentacles. Through these tentacles, jellyfish can catch small fish, plankton, or other prey. Some jellyfish have venomous tentacles that can paralyze prey or ward off predators. What makes jellyfish especially remarkable is their extraordinary life cycle. Most jellyfish develop from eggs into larvae, then polyps, and finally into adult jellyfish. However, certain species, most notably Turritopsis dohrnii, can revert back to the polyp stage when sick or injured. In other words, an adult jellyfish can return to its juvenile form. This process is called transdifferentiation. Because of this ability, jellyfish are often called the immortal jellyfish. Although they can die from predation or disease in the wild, they are theoretically capable of repeating their life cycle indefinitely. Scientists consider this extraordinary ability highly significant for research into cellular regeneration and aging. Therefore, jellyfish are not only beautiful and mysterious, but also uniquely fascinating creatures of the sea in terms of life cycles and biological renewal. Anglerfish. The anglerfish is a strange and mysterious fish of the deep sea. It lives in the deepest ocean zones, where sunlight never reaches, regions of extreme cold and immense pressure. The anglerfish has adapted its lifestyle to survive comfortably in complete darkness. Its body is firm and elongated, with a large mouth and sharp teeth. The most astonishing feature of the anglerfish is the glowing lure on top of its head, a small bioluminescent organ that produces light with the help of bacteria. In the darkness of the deep sea, this light can be seen from a great distance. The anglerfish uses this light to attract prey. Small fish or other sea creatures, mistaking the light for food or a flower, swim toward it. The anglerfish then slowly moves toward its prey and suddenly snaps it up with its enormous mouth. Once caught, escape is nearly impossible due to the size and sharpness of its teeth. Flying fish. The flying fish is a remarkable species that is highly fascinating in the marine world. Like other fish, it lives in water. But unlike other fish, it can temporarily leave the water and glide through the air using its large wing-like pectoral fins. Flying fish typically inhabit the open waters of warm seas. When threatened by a predator, they leap rapidly toward the surface and use their fins to glide dozens of meters through the air. Some species can travel 50 to 100 feet in a single glide. This behavior helps them escape predators. The flying fish has a wide and flattened body, which provides stability in the air. Its smooth, streamlined form reduces drag in both water and air. Additionally, its nearly shimmering skin reflects sunlight, which can confuse distant predators. Stonefish. The stonefish is a fish that looks exactly like a stone. It mainly lives among coral reefs or on the ocean floor. Its body is typically earthy brown in tone, blending seamlessly with the color of coral. Its body is covered with ridges, spots, and bumps that serve as perfect natural camouflage, making it nearly invisible to humans or predators. This fish typically remains completely still. Once it merges with the sandy or rocky seafloor, it becomes almost impossible to find. This remarkable disguise protects the stonefish from enemies and gives it an advantage when hunting. If a person or large fish accidentally touches one, it uses its venomous spines, making an accidental step on one in the ocean extremely painful. The stonefish's stone-like body and habit of staying motionless have made it the ocean's most skilled hide-and-seek player, allowing it to catch prey easily and protect itself from danger. The glass octopus. The glass octopus is a mysterious creature of the deep sea. Its most distinctive feature is its nearly fully transparent or invisible body. This transparency helps it hide from predators in the darkness of the deep ocean. Because of its transparency, the internal organs of the glass octopus are clearly visible to the naked eye. Most creatures, including humans, cannot easily spot it, giving it near-perfect camouflage. The glass octopus has a small and elongated body. Its 8 arms are highly flexible and delicate, helping it catch prey and move with ease. It primarily feeds on small fish, crustaceans, or other small marine creatures, striking swiftly and precisely with its arms. Additionally, the glass octopus has comparatively large eyes and can see even in very dark conditions. In the deep parts of the ocean where no light exists, its transparent body and large eyes help it both avoid predators and hunt successfully. Mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp is a strange and powerful marine creature. Despite its small size, it is extremely strong and fast. Its most distinctive feature is its powerful claws, which can strike prey in an instant. The force of its strike is so immense that it can shatter shells or crush prey with a single blow. The eyes of the mantis shrimp are also extraordinary. They can look in different directions independently and can perceive an incredibly wide range of colors. Some species can even see ultraviolet light. These remarkable eyes allow them to target prey with precision and detect threats effectively. Mantis shrimp typically live among coral reefs or on the ocean floor, living solitary lives and feeding mainly on small fish, crustaceans, or shelled creatures. Their rapid claws and sharp vision make them one of the most skilled hunters in the sea. In short, the mantis shrimp is a powerful, fast, and highly intelligent marine creature whose unique claws and visual capabilities make it especially fascinating to marine biologists. The poison dart frog is one of the most venomous amphibians in the world. It typically lives in the warm, humid forests of Central and South America. Although small in size, its venom can be deadly to many animals, and some species are even lethal to humans. Its body's vivid colors, such as red, blue, yellow, or green, serve as a warning to predators. This is known as an aposematic signal, alerting enemies that the frog is toxic and should be avoided. The poison dart frog primarily eats small insects. Its diet, including ants, mosquitoes, and small worms, contributes to the production of venom in the frog's body. The chemical compounds obtained from food accumulate in the frog's skin, helping it ward off attacks from predators. The name poison dart frog comes from indigenous peoples of ancient America who used the frog's venom to coat the tips of their arrows or darts. Hunters could then use these poisoned projectiles to capture forest animals more easily, hence the name dart frog. Though small, the poison dart frog is extremely alert and clever. It typically lives among forest pools or leafy areas, quickly hiding when a predator approaches. Its vivid colors and venomous nature make it one of the most mysterious and captivating creatures of the forest world.